Hi guys, I just received my WWE SlamCrate, and this should be the December crate, which makes it only 2 months late, which is probably the most on-time crate I've had in about a year and a half. So let's have a look. This one is titled Royal Rumble. Alright, it's like, it has a good weight to it, but definitely not that big of a crate. It might look big on screen, but like, it's not that big. Alright, so we got a John Cena shirt right on top. Let's have a look. Size is good. It says the champ, John Cena. Looks very generic. Got hustle, loyalty, respect on the back. Quality seems good. 100% cotton. 2019, so it is a new item. Not a big fan of the design. I don't hate it. I don't love it. It's an okay shirt. Okay, what else we got? What's this? Looks like a Sasha Banks figurine. WWE SlamStar Series 2 collectible, not a toy. Alright. Almost threw the thing out the desk. Alright, so face looks weird. Historically speaking, faces are always weird on these stuff. Is it a 2019 item? It is a 2020 item. So this being a December box, they clearly didn't expect to deliver until January. It's actually a pretty good figurine. It's just, like, I don't want to break the air. Like, it's pretty well stuck in there. Alright, I got it. It's actually pretty decent. Like, the face is definitely a bit weird. But the rest... And the rest is actually pretty nice figurine. Alright, so I'm good with that. This, probably my favorite item right there. Like, I drink a lot of G Fuel. This is like a protein cup. I hope it's dishwasher safe, because I don't like to manually clean stuff. It doesn't say that it is. All right. Oh, it's even has the mixing ball in it. That's pretty cool though. Like, I wouldn't expect them to have that. For those wondering what the hell is this ball, it's to help mix. Like, you put it in it, and when you close it and you mix, it helps with the mixing when you got something in it. So it's AJ Styles, obviously, A1 or P1. Well, it's A1, AJ that it's written instead of P1 like it normally is. It says the one that gets it done. I like that. I like to get things done too, so I will definitely be using this probably a lot. Like, the only thing I don't like about it is like when the printed pattern actually like rolls up here, like you see where the pattern meets the pattern, and it's like not aligned, but that's just my OCD. But yeah, definitely very cool item. All right, monthly pin, pretty sizable pin of the man Becky Lynch, but that face is weird again. Look at that face. It's definitely not the worst I've seen. It's a little off, but it's a cool collectible pin. I like it. What else we got? Those look like stickers. Royal Rumble stickers. Got 3 of them. One is this year logo. Others are, I can't remember if they are old logo. I don't even remember seeing those. Whatever. And that's it. Alright, let's have a look at the item descriptions. Okay. So, get ready to enter the ring. It's Royal Rumble time. So, Sasha Banks Slam Stars variant figure. Bring the boss to your display shelf with this Sasha Banks figure designed by Brian Beatty. John Cena signature t-shirt. Show off your hustle, loyalty, and respect as a member of the C Nation in this tee. The AJ Styles Rumble Shaker Cup. Stay hydrated with help from the Phenomenal One thanks to this epic cup. The Royal Rumble decals, they look more like... That's definitely stickers, not decals. Gear up for the next Royal Rumble with this set of awesome decals, or stickers. And Becky Lynch Artist Siri Pin. She's the man and a pin. Now you can show off your Becky Lynch pride anytime. And that is it. I'd say it's overall, especially thanks to the Shaker Cup, I'd say it's a pretty good box again. So overall, fairly good month so far. Well, not that any of them were actually part of this month, but pretty decent month that I received. All right, thanks for watching, guys. If you're not already a sub, make sure to do so to be kept aware when I post new stuff. If you have any questions, ask them. And if you like the video, well, leave a like. See you guys. G out. Ciao.